Was it to go round?
Yeah.
That's not what it was for, but you're doing a good job. Right. Each one of you stop by a jar. Right. Okay, Emmanuel, go back to your jar. Lovely. Do you know how many cars there are in your jar?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because we can see them. Yeah, you can.
Okay. But to know how many, right, yeah.
Two.
So you need to start counting.
Mommy can. 1.
So you need to start counting. First of all, let's do something else, okay? Let's put this one under the table and you hold on to your army tank, okay? So, how many cars? Can you guess? Can you give me an estimate of how many cars there are in this jar?
Okay, 1.
Guess. Don't count, just guess.
30.
How many? 13.
30.
Right, move off the table. And shall we count?
Yeah.
Right.
1,
Count with me. 1,
2,
2.
3,
Are you counting, Emmanuel? 3,
4,
4,
5,
5.
6,
Wow. 6. Yeah.
7.
7. Okay. So there were 7 cars in that jug. I'm going to put them back in now. Okay. Have a look at this jug. Do you think this jug has more cars in it or fewer cars in it?
1.
No counting yet. I want you to guess. I want you to estimate.
I know.
Go on then.
20.
Right, so you think it has more cars than 13 in this one. How do you know that? How do you know that?
Because there's a lot more cars in there.
Ah, because the jug is roughly the same size, but fuller?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, so you can estimate that there are more than 13 because the jug looks fuller. Yes? Okay. Right. So, Jaime, would you like to count the cars? Ready? 1. Hang on, we've done that one, baby, and that was 13. 1, 2,
3,
3. Well done.
4.
Yep.
Oh, one of my favourite race cars.
What comes after 4?
One of my favourite
Sure.
race
Okay. What comes after 4?
6.
Really?
5.
Okay. Then
4.
what?
6.
6. Then what?
7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12.
So, Jaime, you overestimated
Yeah.
the first jug because you thought there were 13, but there were 7.
Yeah.
But you were clever enough to know that the second jug looked to have more. You thought there would be 20, but when we counted, there were, how many? 11 or 12, weren't there? I think I've moved the display now. So you're absolutely right with your guessing and your estimate in terms of the second jug being more cars. Yeah, nice kiss, thank you. More cars. It's too close, it's too close. So yes, you were absolutely right with your estimate and guessing there were more cars in the second jug than the first one. Okay, well done.
2, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10.
You were right first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what?
10.
Right, Jaime, help him out. Have a look. There are 2 pots of Smarties.
I will show you. Come on. Come with me, Emmanuel.
Jaime, come back, please.
I'm showing Emmanuel. Emmanuel, come on.
Right, so we have 2 pots of Smarties. Do you know how many Smarties are in each pot?
Yes.
How do you know?
Because.
Can you move off the table, please, Jaime?
Okay.
Too close to the camera.
1.
No, without counting, do you know? Jaime?
Yeah.
No, you don't, because you haven't counted them yet, so you don't know. Yeah?
20.
Now your estimate, your guess is that what, there's 20 in each? Do you think they're the same?
Yes.
Right, okay, so now let's take one. Can you put them on the table and count them? Go on. One by one on the table.
1,
Yeah, okay.
2,
Yeah,
3,
yeah,
4,
yeah.
5,
Well done. 5, 6.
6,
Yeah.
7, 8.
7. That's 7 because Emanoel took another one. That's 8 now.
Sorry.
9, 10, 11. Count with me, Jaime. 11. What comes after 11?
12.
Well done. Super. How many now?
20.
What comes after 12?
30.
13.
13. 15. Oh, thank you.
Right. Chaos is being chaos. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oops. 12. Mum's dropping them. 13, 14, 15,
16.
16. Okay. Right.
No,
16 Smarties. Do you think there are more or less in this one? Without counting, your guess, your estimate. More or less?
Less.
Less. All right, let's count now. How many less? Can you make a guess as to how many?
Okay.
Guess.
1.
Guess first.
Okay.
Guess.
20.
But that's a bigger number than how many we counted in the last bowl.
40.
That's even bigger.
60.
I think you're being silly now.
70. 80.
You think there's less than this bowl, and there was how many in there? 16?
6.
So a number less than 16. How many do you think? Can you make an estimate?
Yes.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
You think there's 12? Right, okay. Now let's count to check your estimate.
1,
1,
2,
2. Go quicker,
3,
otherwise Emanoel's going to eat them.
4,
3, 4,
5,
5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. So there were less. So you were right with your estimate of there being less. Well done.
Now we can eat them.
Now we're going to divide them equally and you can eat them. So you have the same number each. Divide equally. Same number each, okay? Right, Jaime, how many cards on the table?
1,
Yeah,
2,
yeah,
3,
yeah,
4,
yeah.
5.
Brilliant. Okay. I'm going to... How many cards on the table?
1, 2, 3,
How many do you think are in the bag?
2.
Are you sure? Do you want to take them out and check? You might need to use 2 hands.
It was right.
It was right. Put them back on the table. Okay. So, give me the bag back. Right. 5 cards on the table.
3,
3 cards on the table. How many in the bag?
2.
Lift up the bag. 3 add
2.
plus 2 equals
0. 2.
3 plus 2 equals.
Don't know.
Try counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ah, brilliant. Well done.
Spider-Man.
Okay.
Spider-Man.
5 cards on the table.
I'm
Yes?
Spider-Man.
1.
I'm Spider-Man.
Hello, Spider-Man.
Hi.
1 car on the table. How many under the bag?
5.
Sorry? Sorry?
Hi, Johnny. Hi, Johnny. Mine's Spider-Man.
Ah,
Hi.
okay.
Hi, Johnny. Mine's Spider-Man. Hi, mine's Spider-Man.
5 cars on the table.
I'm Spider-Man. My love.
1 goes under the bag. How many are left on the table?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So we can say 5 minus or take away 1 equals 5 take away 1 equals
4.
Brilliant. Okay. 5 cars on the table. I take 3 away. 5 take away 3 equals
1, 2, 2.
Oh, Emanoel, wow, you're doing better than Jaime now. Wow, okay. 5 cars on the table. 5 cars on the table.
5.
I take away 4. 5 take away 4 is
1.
woohoo! Wow. Okay, 5 cars on the table. I take all 5 away.
0.
Ah, you're so clever.